Hi, great minds. You're welcome to Ogantowe Chem Clinic, where chemistry becomes simple, fun, and exam ready. I am Temitope Adeniji. In this episode of Inorganic Chemistry, we are going to be talking about the deduction of bond type from electronegativity difference. Recall from the previous video lesson on electronegativity, we defined electronegativity as the tendency of an atom to attract bond pair electron from a chemical bond. From the Pauling scale, we've been able to deduce the electronegativity value for different atoms as shown in the periodic table right here. Can we consider the CYK right here? Calculate the electronegativity difference and determine the bond type of the following compound. The first compound right here is methane, CH4. What is the electronegativity value of the respective elements that make up the methane? Can we check from the periodic table right here? The electronegativity value of carbon is 2.55 and that of hydrogen is 2.2. The electronegativity value of chlorine from the Pauling scale is 3.16, while that of sodium is given as 0.93. The electronegativity value of nitrogen from the Pauling scale right here is 3.04, while that of oxygen is given as, we have oxygen right here, 3.44. In order to determine the electronegativity difference, we need to consider this formula. The electronegativity difference is given as E1 minus E2. That is the electronegativity value difference between the bonded atom. Make sense? Before we proceed to calculate the electronegativity difference, can we look at this table closely? The electronegativity difference range has been stated right here, while the bond type has been stated on the second column right here. When the range is between 0 and 0.39, the bond type is said to be nonpolar covalent. Also, when we have the range between 0.4 and 0.89, the bond type is said to be what? Moderately polar covalent. When the electronegativity difference results to value ranging between 0.9 to 1.69, the bond type is said to be very polar covalent. And also, when the electronegativity difference is 1.7 beyond, the bond type is said to be what? Ionic. Note that in order to determine the electronegativity difference, we need to subtract the lower value of electronegativity from higher value. So let's take, for instance, in the case of methane, we have CH4. What is the electronegativity of carbon? 2.55, and that of hydrogen is 2.2. So we have 2.55 minus 2.2. What is the difference between these two electronegativity value? We have, from the calculator, we have 0.35. Since the electronegativity difference between the two bonded atoms in methane is equal to 0.35, can we look at the range right here? It is between 0 and 0.39. Therefore, methane is said to exhibit what? A nonpolar covalent bond. So, methane is said to be what? Nonpolar covalent. Okay, so the bond type is nonpolar covalent. Okay, now can we attempt the next one, the hydrochloric acid? We have HCl. The electronegativity difference, in this case, chlorine has higher electronegativity when compared with hydrogen. So we are going to have 3.16 minus 2.2. Okay, when we press our calculator, we have 0.96 So the electronegativity difference between the atom of hydrogen and chlorine is equal to 0.96. Can we go and check our table for the range? 0.96 is between 0.9 and 1.69. Therefore, the hydrochloric acid exhibits what bond type? Very polar covalence. So we have very polar covalence. That is very polar covalence. Okay, so can we attempt the next one? We have the sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, we have the sodium atom, which has the electronegativity value of 0.93, and chlorine has electronegativity value of 3.16. 3.16 is greater than 0.93, so we have 3.16 minus 0.93. So in that case, we are going to have 2.23. Okay, so we go back to our table and check at what range do we have this electronegativity difference. So we have it at 1.7 beyond. Such compound which has electronegativity difference greater than 1.7 is said to exhibit what? Ionic bond. Therefore, in the case of sodium chloride, the bond type is what? Ionic bond. Okay, so in the case of nitrogen molecule N2, we will discover that we have two nitrogen atoms right there, and nitrogen has electronegativity value of 3.04. So 3.04 minus 3.04, what do we have? Yes, that's 0. Therefore, nitrogen falls between the range of 0 and 0.39. We say that nitrogen molecule is exhibiting what bond type? Non-polar covalence. So I would like you to pause the video while you answer the fifth question, water molecule. So with this, we've been able to justify the bond type from the electronegativity difference. Make sense? If you found this video lesson so interesting, kindly click the subscribe button and share with your friends right now. You can also follow and like my Facebook page. Thanks for watching.